The days of competing purely on who has the cheapest trucks or the biggest warehouses are over. By 2026, the logistics industry has completely shifted. Today, market leaders compete on digital maturity, resilience, and real time data. But if you're looking at modern supply chain management, there are four buzzwords you constantly hear: digitalization, automation, connectivity, and visibility. What do they actually mean? And how are companies using them in the real world right now? Today, we are breaking down these four foundational concepts using real case studies from companies like Zara, Lufthansa Cargo, and Delivery. Let's decode the tech that moves the world. Concept number one is digitalization. This isn't just about scanning a piece of paper into a PDF. It's about transforming physical manual processes into structured digital data that software can instantly understand and act upon. A perfect example of this is Lufthansa Cargo. In the complex world of air freight, a single shipment used to generate massive stacks of paper documents. But Lufthansa underwent a massive digital transformation to a 100% electronic air waybill or EAWB only model. By refusing to fly paper and forcing cargo data to be completely digitized before the goods are even accepted, Lufthansa increased its process efficiency and slashed terminal handling times by up to 50%. Once your data is digital, you can move to concept number two: automation. Automation is using technology to perform physical or cognitive tasks without human intervention. While everyone thinks of warehouse robots, the biggest automation leaps in 2025 and 2026 are happening through artificial intelligence. Look at Delivery, one of India's largest logistics networks. They faced a huge problem with last mile delivery: messy, unstructured customer addresses that confused mapping systems. To automate the routing process, they deployed a fine tuned generative AI large language model. This AI model autonomously parses and geocodes 8,000 complex addresses every single minute, with a response time of just 160 milliseconds. By automating this cognitive task, Delivery cut their AI infrastructure costs by 80% while significantly speeding up delivery times. Concept number three is connectivity. You can have great digital data and highly automated systems, but if they are trapped in silos, your supply chain will still fail. Connectivity is the seamless exchange of data across different software systems, companies, and government agencies via APIs. The ultimate case study here is playing out on a national scale. The Indian government created the Unified Logistics Interface Platform, or ULIP. It's a digital gateway that breaks down the walls between private transporters, shipping lines, and different government ministries. In March 2025, ULIP officially crossed 100 crore, that's 1 billion, API transactions, processing around 10 million data requests every single week. This connectivity allows an entirely fragmented industry to act as one synchronized network, driving down the country's logistics costs. Finally, we arrive at the holy grail of logistics: visibility. Visibility means knowing the exact real time status, condition, and location of your inventory at any given second, anywhere in the world. Zara has mastered visibility through RFID technology. They track every single garment they produce in real time. Because of this visibility, Zara reduced its physical stock taking process from 40 hours to just 5 hours, while maintaining a 95% inventory accuracy, and they are constantly innovating. As of 2025, Zara is eliminating those bulky hard plastic security tags that cashiers have to manually remove. Instead, they are integrating microscopic RFID threads sewn directly into the seams of the garments. This gives them perfect item level visibility without ruining the customer experience. Digitalization creates the data. Automation speeds up the work. Connectivity shares the insights, and visibility gives you the power to see it all. If a company is missing even one of these four pillars today, they are flying blind in an incredibly unforgiving market.